In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download Adobe Premiere Pro for free on your PC or Mac. First, click the link in the description. It'll take you to Adobe's official website. Choose your country, then click on Start Free Trial. Now you'll see three options: individual, business, and students and teachers. Select the individual plan if you're using one device. It gives you a 14-day free trial of Premiere Pro, plus a 30-day free trial of Adobe stock. Click Continue. Enter your email address, then click Continue again. Fill in the required details, including your card info. But don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until the trial ends. Now click Agree and Subscribe. You'll see a confirmation screen. Create a password when prompted. Next, open the second link in the description to download the Creative Cloud app. Install the app, log in with the same email, then go to the Apps section. From there, install Premiere Pro. And that's it. You're ready to start editing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enjoy your free trial. Have a great day.